point-of-care tool. How to use DynaMed. A point-of-care tool is a clinical resource that is easily readable and quickly accessible for healthcare professionals who need to make informed and evidence-based decisions on the treatment and/or management of patient diagnoses during bedside care. UTIP subscribes to one point-of-care tool, and that's DynaMed Plus. DynaMed Plus is endorsed by the American Medical Association, and it has a mobile app. It's perfect for those quick glances when needing evidence-based information at the bedside. You can access DynaMed by starting off on our Nursing Research Guide. I've provided the link for you in the yellow box. Locate the Point-of-Care Tools and Clinical Information tab. Once you're on that page, look for the DynaMed Plus image. Right below the image is a DynaMed Plus access link. Click on that link. You will then be taken to the UTIP single sign-on page. You will only need to put the first part of your email address, nothing after the @ sign, and your UTIP password. This is DynaMed Plus. At the top, we have a navigation menu. We also have recent alerts and announcements. In the middle of the page, we have a search bar. This is how we use DynaMed. We can search for a specific condition, intervention, or even drug to learn more information about it. I'm going to type the word dementia because I want to learn more about dementia, and DynaMed suggests topic pages that have the word dementia in it. You can also search for dementia treatment, agitation, management, prevention, but I'm going to just do a general search for dementia. And so we can see that there's 186 results in DynaMed that mention the word dementia. You can use the content type filter to filter to specific concepts that talk about dementia. So like if we only wanted to look at conditions, we can check that box off, and so we'll only see conditions in dementia. And so the first one is Alzheimer's dementia. I'm going to click on that one. So this is a topic page for Alzheimer's dementia. DynaMed has a navigation menu on the left-hand side for quick access to a specific part. So if you wanted to know a little bit more general information, or you wanted to know about how to diagnose dementia, you can click on that section. You'll notice that the content in the middle is in bullet points, and all of this information is evidence-based. That's why it's perfect for bedside care, because it's a point-of-care tool. And so you don't have to look through a database, enter keywords or concepts like you would in a database. All the information you need is here and in short, simple bullet points. I'm going to scroll back up, and I'm going to click on the management section so we can look at the management of Alzheimer's dementia. So here we can see that the first step in managing it is determining the severity to help guide the management. And so you can click on that link to learn more information. You can also review current medication use. It gives you even specific types of therapies, and then you'll see things that say strong recommendation or weak recommendation. And so you can click on management in the general section for an overview to see where these things are coming from. If you want to learn a little bit more about their references, they do offer references in the navigation bar at the bottom. And so you'll look at the general references that were used. That was a quick overview of DynaMed Plus. If you need more information or have any questions on this specific product, feel free to call us or text us or email us at webanswers.utip.edu.